The Swifties have bad blood with Kim Kardashian. Again. Fans of Taylor Swift have taken over the Skims founder's Instagram comments section with snake emojis after the singer referenced her 2016 feud with Kardashian and her then-husband Kanye West in her Person of the Year interview for Time. Other fans used GIFs of the Cruel Summer singer in the Mom of Four's comments, including one from Swift's Look What You Made Me Do music video that featured the Grammy winner sitting on a throne before showing a rattlesnake opening its mouth to strike.